This is your girl Jelly today. Once again, we are doing a opening.
And how you doing, mi gente? It's your boy Peanut Butter.
We are going to be doing the legendary Pokemon Force of Nature GX
Brand new one, guys.
Premium Collection.
The latest.
Let's see what this box brings. Well, so far,
Hopefully.
it brings two promo cards, the 2GX.
2GXs.
Then it brings the big card in the back, and if I'm not mistaken, it have
Pin?
the two pins. It has
pin and a coin.
Oh, and a coin. I'm sorry.
Coin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It brings six packs of cards, and it brings also a background for the computer.
Yes, guys. This one we have it since Wednesday, but we haven't got the chance to open it. So
we've been working long hours, guys, and we just didn't have the time, but we're gonna do this opening today,
guys.
Let's see the back of it. Yeah.
Every time a new one comes out, we don't get good luck. So hopefully this new one brings us like good luck. Every time we buy new stuff, we don't get good luck, Jelly. We don't get not even a GX.
Okay, well, we see. I mean, we do get a GX, but just the GX that comes
not
in
on the
box.
new ones. Not
okay,
in the new
it says, as I'm reading this, it says a fossil promo card. It says one never before seen. So we're going to have two of them because it's two fossil promo cards. Then we have the collector coin and the pin. We have an oversized fossil card, 6 booster packs, and we have.
Let me give them a close up so they could see it.
You got that. I got it from my hand too much.
There you go, guys. That's a close up. So if you want to stop the video later on and read it.
Yeah.
And oh, look at the background. We got those right there. They haven't been touched. That's probably for our collection. If they seal like that, maybe not. So let's go with this opening.
Hey, you forgetting something, buddy?
The catchy box.
The catchy box.
When we come back, you guys gonna see it. It's gonna be magic. You guys gonna see it. So see you in a minute, guys. Not minute. See you in a seconds. We'll be right back.
We're back.
We're back, guys. And ready. That's what he brought. Those two. That's what it brings. I'm sorry. The jumbo. Pin. Coin. And yes, we got the catchy box. The catchy box. And this is the pack. Evolution. Sun and Moon. Crimson Invention. Sun and Moon. Ardent Rising. And Forbidden Light. So he brought 6. So go ahead, Jelly. Pick up your 3. And whatever you leave is mine. Sounds good. Ladies first.
Okay. Let me go with this one.
The Sun and Moon. Good luck. This one, they look nice. I like them. They're nice. There you go, guys. Enjoy it. Fighting.
Good stuff.
Their
Energy card.
Hypno.
Switch. That's a new one.
Ass.
Caterpie.
Caterpie. Ching chong. Dude.
Oh, he look like a fat Pikachu. And that's my reverse and my rare.
Okay. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and do evolution. There you go for evolution. It was three. So, there you go. Trainer. Another trainer switch. Magnar. Nidoran. Ponyta. Chelsea. Zzz. Electabuzz. Vulpix. Poliwhirl. And Mewtwo. Regular rare. Okay. Two packs so far. We haven't get nothing special. There you go. Yeah, it was 4.
Energy. Hunter. Oh, it's on the snow. And
Did you?
Ooh.
Oh my goodness! Finally, that's like a
He looked like a jellyfish.
jellyfish, right?
Yeah, that's what it is, I think. He got all the little tentacles on it. I'm pretty sure.
Like it. We don't have that one. Awesome. We finally get a GX from one of these new box. Awesome.
Oh, that's
Okay.
cool.
Let me give you a sleeve. Oh, my throat is bothering me right now.
Nice.
Come on, this is a brand new box. I don't want to be with my throat. Okay, so it's gonna be right here next to the legendary. Awesome, Jelly.
By the catchy box.
Awesome pull.
Nice.
Tapu Lele, where you at? Tapu Lele. There you go. Enjoy. 2, 3, 4, right? 4, yes.
Energy.
Grass. Hello. Go, Yudu is growing. He's growing hair. Go, Sprawl. Go, this is mine. Reverse.
That's not a hollow?
No.
It looks like a hollow.
No.
Nice. Okay.
That
that's
one
a
doesn't
rare.
shine. Nothing.
Nothing
Like shine out of that.
Okay, this is my last pack right here.
Forbidden Lie. Good luck for the last pack, Jelly.
Okay.
Hopefully you put
one.
another.
I already got it one.
Oh, I need another one. Let's see if we get another one.
Hard.
There you go, guys. Enjoy. Okay, so that's the energy.
Lipsy.
Lady. Whoopa.
Hippolyte.
It's on top of sore.
Concher. Right?
Clonsure, yeah.
Gummy.
Gummy always gotta come out.
That's my
Your reverse.
and my
Oh,
rare.
and he gotta come out too. A lot.
My rare.
Wah, wah, wah.
That's okay.
That's okay, cause let's see
At
if I
least
got the
that
last. Let's see if I got the last pack magic. Let's see. Let's see if I got the last pack magic, guys. So started with the energy. There you go. That bunny is so weird. Snover. The sack Cubone. The sack Cubone. La Bebe. My reverse. And my hologram. This is a hologram, guys.
Oh,
I don't know
okay.
if you guys could see it.
Yeah.
It's a hologram.
It's nice.
Not bad. So that was it for this video, guys. If you like this video, guys,
Thumbs up.
thumbs up, guys.
Have love for us.
Yes.
Love.
And remember,
Subscribe link. Hit that notification button like always so you could be aware when we post our next videos. We're trying to post our videos every Tuesday, Thursdays, Saturdays, and Sundays.
yes.
So those are the days we're trying to at least keep on posting it. We also have a P.O. Box. You know, if you want to write us a letter, we could read it out in our next video and give you a shout out. So just remember, as I always say, stay well, stay blessed.
But before we go, we got one for the catchy.
Catchy box too. Well, you could use those.
And the two, and the two
promos. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Catchy. We got something for the catchy. Cannot forget about
that. Let me leave this one. This one is all three of them in there.
Of course. The all three in there?
Watch it. Watch your fingers.
Oh. There you go.
It's there.
There you go.
Gotta catch them all. Catchy box.
So guys, thank you for watching and
stay well, stay blessed. Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.